ahwe say eya petition na mo de buy no emu ehwam ewon ejina so a ewo se ejina so e de pam osono maame Madam CJ Torkornoo. All right, okay, so now let's take our business. Gigim and the breaking news about for Bloomberg. For Bloomberg, meeting and catcho, while funusable fruit.
Until the court arrives at a decision that incriminates somebody. And yet difficult to
who go law school?
Okay,
you don't follow
up. Japan, until the court arrives at a decision that incriminates somebody. And yet difficult to
who go law school?
Kwasi afo, mo de Ghana na politicians to play ticket ba one no be share obu basement. Enti no di matabo no. O man hene who go law school way. Wa funu say gearbox, who go law school way. Until the Indian and the say Bloomberg ka kire. Wo hu say wagimi say oba America the basement na oti. Na me akọ bitie wo beto twa ticket ama me. Utumi. E won say and the omo TV so no mu di matam because mo majority of journalists mo agimi. Omo no mo hwe mo. Who go law school way. Why say you can't follow up? Or Mama Juma Amonye, a Jimmy for now, Mama and Jum for Sub Bloomberg, no, Aqua Whiska. Now, Ghana, and where do you Jimmy Bruta? Now, breaking news now, Banner say, and then you bring the presidency a release statement. What damn. Now, Osuna, I mean, once I'm about. The Chief Justice and a statement a free the presidency about maybe king kind of honorable. Who is calling my number? Who are you? Now, there's a letter, presidency communication. Tuesday, 25th March 2025. President Mahama consults with the Council of State on 3 petitions for the removal of the Chief Justice. Ayakrata and the President Mahama from office, a release Yamagana for say yanking kind, Niantias any the obey any the abine bay in any way, and Mahama and Kwan take a decision. President Bia Oba, Ujuma dia Udino, Yawamra, di ana a bo Ujuma dia Mubine. And Che Biana and see ye Council of Elders. Now, Council of Elders, no, and I say Council of State members, no, and yet John Mahama de ye omo, yenny a kotuaba every part of Ghana, and ye Council of State, some penny for say, Bibi John Mahama swa, Ghana Constitution emwa embrana say, advisory board, and advisory group, omube to me etu John Mahama fu, Bibia, Sebio Ghana nibi, and Ghana for actual margini. Omuhuni say I was a president 2-1 among. John Mahama ya president kebi mamin kebi hianinti. Onfa ensam nhye onwa ni nsam embumra so enye de etia eye Holy Grail of Ghana and I said the Constitution of Ghana and I said eye krata konkro a ebo Ghana ho bra. Intenda no nipa bi atro eye petition eye pole miensa. Na petition ni say omo de nsem bia koda John Mahama President Mahama na omo pese sa nsem no de koda John Mahama no was say John Mahama etu 1 amon and the way hu krata ba say wahwe krata anim opese otu 1 amon na emom tumi ni nyina nhye ne nsa Ghana mra ne kire say say ofa ekwan bi so ana oma emra ye adwuma enti mom yanko kan na menjudwam nkire PZ4 ewu Kumasi every say ye ndwudwam a kwase bi betena nhira FM Jimmy for me betina Hello FM. Odwan bi ebga kwotena Kesbin FM etwa motro because mo dia atro ene mamu ye tuntum mo. Enti apesa mo kala ne toso nti. Ye ma obi antwa mo PZ4 asantifo ni bi mo besem besu nyansa no. Nyansa ana intro. Mame sanjudwam. Enti Assembly Pono, President Mahama consults with the Council of State on 3 petitions for the removal of the Chief Justice. I say President Mahama has received 3 petitions from various persons seeking the removal of the Chief Justice. The President has forwarded the 3 petitions to the Council of State to commence the consultation process mandated by Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution. signed Felix Kwachi Ofosu, Member of Parliament, Ofrimikrom, Abra Asebuko Amankese. Spokesperson to the President, Minister, Government Communications. Krata efri Jubilee House no in Chechirem nyina nie. President John Mahama say nkrata miensa beka ne sa efa eye Chief Justice Osono Maame Torkornoo ni dwumadi a odi se Chief Justice Ghana fo bi a omutua to eye Ghana fo mapa emra emo kwan se omo kanche president say dwumadie bi ene nia hombonsem bi ene senior Chief Justice Osono Maame eye ne nyoma bi ninti no omo hu ne se wetia mra ebo de ne dwuma ho ban nti President no emfa emraso na onhwehwan nsem wemu na on make sure say ya pamo Osono Maame as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. And President Mahama say ninsa kasankrata miensa no na ono onya okutocratic sebio nipa ene sa line ekoto aba eyi no kebi mami kebi ogidi pa ene ohuni say eye Ghana no emra ena sebio ede eboy ho bra o say obegina Ghana constitution no so baby a friend article 146 edi to me emma ono ene sebio Council of State chair president yo onye ontu wanamon ansana sebio decision bi anase sebio eye decision bi ombeteki in the President Mahama say onam eye Ghana mraso eye article 146 no ogina so aye de eye afa mra kwan so ahwe say eye petition na omde bae no emu ehwam ewon ejina so a ewo se ejina so ede pam Osono Maame Madam CJ Torkornoo. Now also TSC say sa asemu ya abedahoyi we atre the transparency and I say pepeyo any sebio accountability any in fact let me use the word transparency John Mahama ne na aban omo pese Ghana fo hu ewo de amebuom. Now also TSC say Osono Maame Madam Torkornoo petition aba ne nkyere say yebeyi ne to akonwa John Mahama ontimi tina Jubilee House enka say sa petition no ogina so apam Madam Torkornoo se mama ne Chief Justice onkoye a Supreme Court judge. Na mo no de e wo se esini say John Dramani Mahama say or the eye petition no ema e Council of State members ye ni ekoto aba Ghana fo nyina ekoto aba yi wo mo se omo so omo nhwem na omo pensem na omo so emekyere omo adwene ewo petition ya abeka ne nsa ti ase say Council of State members ebi firi asantememu ebi firi bono ebi firi Ghana ha nyina emfantifo anwonafo yenia na ekoto aba yekoyi omo edi omo bae inti John Mahama asadi 2 mina ma Ghana fo if you say who Council of State member bia or represent Ghana ni inti technically no petition ebeka John Mahama nsa no wasa dani petition na ma Ghana fo e de say woni me yato aba eyi obi se onsi anemu o Council of State na ondi juma maye inti sakrate ya John Mahama diama Council of State no wasa dani petition na maye ne Ghana fo say ya adwene ye sen enye ono nkwa na nyansa woni tirim yensu yenhwe ensam na ye de ato Madam Torkornoo so no yen pensem hwe say nokura bi wo mu a now emra ne kire say Council of State fo eji eye krata na e wo say yetumi yi nipa bi a omo so ewo de ewo Supreme Court judge fo omo so betenemu bi ni yetumi yi independent minded people bi so na omo beka ho na afei omo tena asem no so ehwe petition no allegations e wom afifi mu but conclusion say ebia Madam Torkornoo ondi boni bia ebia on find the position as CJ no embo emra bia so ebia on fa ensada entietia nipa bi fa ahodie so ebia on share down for 2 minutes de amano as Chief Justice no entata nipa bi emfa politics entietia ye fa ahodie so se Ghana enti so wo said de John Mahama de aba bontre na ono John Mahama kura no on person be take a decision about the future of Madam Torkornoo o person Ghana mra no o person ye ne Ghana fo no ye ne take sa decision no it is under wo Ghana from Council of State member na busa ne say ya sekrata na ba mo dwendwene ho ana de omode beba ena John Mahama de nsa be hyase entima ma obi ntina baby enka say John Mahama ba power ena wa be yi Madam Torkornoo John Mahama on this side is obey Madam Torkornoo. Council of State na also omodwene na yakofa judge fo bi be support na mo hwe eye allegation mu na omo pensemu say Madam Torkornoo odifo anase ondifo. Remember, Sophia Ekufuor na oda COVID-19 sika semoso no. She is part of the Council of State Elders. Sophia Ekufuor. Sophia Ekufuor Nana Danko Ekufuor COVID-19 ba ya odene to eye COVID-19 sika sem na no. Mahama no oka Council of State members on enti memo bi nkotena baby say NDC for the Council of State yen nyina ne to aba. Yen nyina ne sa line. Yen nyina ne to aba. Ena John Mahama di tumi na maye. Say yen hwehwe nsem nim. Enti obia so tumi. Yen nyina ye wo yeni e wo ho a omoba be pensem. Memma Ghana ni bia nkotena radio so nka say John Mahama. Because John Mahama on time Madam Torkornoo. John Mahama onye judge. John Mahama decision bi obeteki bia e Ghana fo e na wo se decide say ye pene so na say ye pene so. Enti na answer na John Mahama ban e betuma tam Ghana sika no e che omoba parliament. Omoba parliament enye NDC fo nkwa na wo ho. Ye wo NPP fo ho a e wo so mo nyina gitum ansa na ya den. Yaka se Ghana fo sika ye de kwa kotokoraba na se de kotokube. Into John Mahama no, the power near limited when it comes to we as a nation making decisions for ourselves, and when it comes to changing or making sure we protect the Chief Justice of Ghana no, John Mahama need to me to me the power belongs to us, and as we speak today the power belongs to the Council of State. Almost 99% power to decide. Say evidence na ya presenti etia Madam Torkornoo no e wonjina so ana se di njina so. Intime makako anako bi tibia enkotena TV so enkotena Kesmen FM enkotena Peace FM enkotena OK FM enkokeka nkwasi asem se John Mahama ebe pamo Madam Torkornoo. John Mahama enyo na take decision. Council of State and the judges they will elect to sit on this matter, they will be taking the decision. In fact, NPP ni judge kesia ba ko a former Chief Justice Madam Sophia Ekufuor and also Council of State members no. Ya wa mpenifo mo ya MPP mpenifo mo ka Council of State members no. Intima wo bi ntina baby enka say NDC for e person mo pam osono maame aka Madam Torkornoo. No. The law is being applied here. The president is going by the law. So Obigiri said the president aye no sebio enam embrakwan mu a onko court. Memma ko biti anaka ko bia nkotena radio so enko bie nanum kankan kokeka nkwase asem wo Peace FM anopa say ye ntia ase na memma kako bia me yesa nkwase ade ne bi sa wo hwe emra a John Mahama AUZ article 146 a ogina so e dey take decision say or the krata na emma eye dey eye Council of State na sa wo ndwene wo na sa ogin say John Mahama nye the right na go to court court na ko jenchirechire mu. So, what you say, John Mahama boom raso by referring this petition to the Council of State, go to court and seek interpretation. Mema kakobia na kobiti Jimmy Fobi nkotena Peace FM, nkotena Kesben, nkotena nkwasi ya radio biso, mbeka nkyere Ghana for say, John Mahama nye hwe wo ha. Ye nyina Ghana for, ye nyina wo say, ye nyina ye twen Council of State. Seni omedwina asemu ehu ayem pensemu ma ye hu se osono maame e wo so otena ho anase o se pam no. So omo yem pensemu na omo the judges be kan pensemu no ho independent minded people be kan na at the end of the day omo evidence e kire se the Chief Justice and conducting hu ye in the office where she occupies her. She needs to be fired. She needs to drop and become a regular judge. For somebody who is competent, somebody who will not mingle, intertwine, somebody who will not bring politics into our judicial system to lead. But for now, no, until proven guilty, no, Madam Torkornoo has done nothing wrong. Until the petition is reviewed, it's looked at, people check and do investigations to get to the final bottom. No, nobody can say, Madam Torkornoo, I mistake. As we speak today, Madam Torkornoo is still the CJ of Ghana until this petition goes through the process, which is legitimate. Media mami nchwemunko, na me nchwemu ankwa. Asema mekano. Now, Communications Minister Akan Simbi na asama wakanene say 56 radio stations face suspension over regulation breaches. Sam George. Mo amwo PZ amonte brofo. Mo asebi mo asenkrigwa nipa bi de brofo dada mo ma mindwedwam. In fact, mo me enkotie de eye Sam George ekan okan brofum mi wi a na medwedwam.
The other 6 stations are a part of a total number of about 63 radio stations whose frequencies are not going to be revoked, but are going to be suspended. We've suspended the first 6. I will be coming to the House to brief the House fully on the outstanding ones. I have engaged the Ghana Independent Broadcasters Association. I have engaged the Media Foundation for West Africa. And they are fully aligned with the processes that we are undertaking. Because we cannot have a situation where media houses would flout the regulation and say that because of press freedoms, the conditions for their licenses will not be met. But like I said, I will not, like the previous administration did, be revoking licenses. There's a difference between the two. I will be suspending the licenses, offering them the opportunity to remedy the anomaly in their cases. And in this case, there are huge fines to be paid. But once again, President Mahama has intervened and asked that we waive all those fines. In some of the instances, some of the fines are as much as 4 million Ghana cedis. And so this shows you that there is absolutely no malice in the action. Once again, President Mahama has intervened and asked that we waive all those fines. In some of the instances, some of the fines are as much as 4 million Ghana cedis. The anomaly in their cases. And in this case, there are huge fines to be paid. But once again, President Mahama has intervened and asked that we waive all those fines. In some of the instances, some of the fines are as much as 4 million Ghana cedis. And so this shows you that there is absolutely no malice in the action that we are taking. We're waiving it. We'll be giving them a window frame to remedy their situation. The 6 that were affected in the first phase, 3 of them have indicated to us and brought to the regulator the documentation required for the restoration of their frequencies. And I'll be authorizing the restoration of their frequencies. So no one should equate this or mistake this for the high-handed irrationality and politically minded actions that happened in the past.
All right, PZ4 mama minjum because brofo no yado so I'm for this is your English ne here. Intimation any woman problem. You say gina PZ. Now, Sam George and the Okasa no say aban take a decision be. Decision in nyina say send ye betumi de no kore akekere Ghana. Send ye betumi de no kore abo obi ho ban. Send ye media houses. Ye ka say media houses enye radio nko a your print for ho. Ebi say Ghana Web omutwatro and other media outlets. Or say aban no afom ho adwene say we de ekoma radio stations nko a or say radio stations by 57 there. Omo license no ye ba be suspended. Or can be or say there's a difference between revoke and suspend. Dear aslo wusuni MPP be ye omo ni da ho e said da e revoking for license no. The difference between revoke and say obi ewo krata also ye adwuma na waje na waka che ne say medum u TV medum u radio wontumi nkasa mfrema mu biem medum no ene ya revoking ya ka say ya lines ya suspend ya meaning say why ya ade bia ewo say sebi wo kire sade ade na wo ye no wontumi wonya saade ni biem wa kire say efiti ebia enne ko no nsem bia na wo ka nyoma bia na wo ye wodi wo radio no ana wo TV no eya na etia kabi mami kabi etia eye nsem ebetumi akekere man no nyoma wa ya endi mu a etumi sai kuro atro a wodi wo radio no edi no wagye atum se ampa wo yeye na ekwa anim no saa nyoma no wo betwe wo hu afiri ho na wantwe wo hu afiri ho a ye betumi revoke anase ye betumi edum no enti for now no Sam George say the 57 radio stations no or Baba suspend the license no if you say sa suspension no kwa no ebi kura de car yakeka ma eyako 4 million Ghana na John Mahama na aka or see it is very important we keep our media houses, our radio, and the media part of governance. And when we said to do the car, say Sam George, any ministry near my gonna say, Omu kodisika nkwechia, Omu do no enya de ombesaba online beam because obu ha ebia mistake oye no na enya deliberate. Ebi so ha mistake no mo no e deliberate. In the John Mahama say sikasem na ewo mu no Sam George mfanto nchen kakra na on adhere to the rules and regulations. Onfa imrani nye juma Sam George say on Ghana Broadcasters Association atnase amomati asiye say decision we are all taking no enya decision or share them and I say or etimupo and it comes with some malice a decision are purely based on evidence ekutano and it based on ede emra ebode juma ho ban into ono onye asla owusu sebio etimodin any otan any nkwasiade or sheda edum radio gold egi om license shutting it down also onye sa ye ba be suspend the 57 radio stations we na obi obeba be kana asem ye abekire se wonu no ho bone a odi ye no sebio na nani da ho na nani nda ho na emom yen sama na another chance to continue production or say they are open to that conversation into Oma Asanteman Oma Bonomai, Cape Coast Mine, Oma Awonafo, any Edian, Srebufo, and Zemafo, Obiatia say, NDC abaning to say MPP abaya, Omu oppositioner, Oma Junior mu say, or some ba no mube say obi juma. But the Omu person we say, Omu person mu bo Ghana ho buying. Omu person Omu bo kebi mami kebi ho buying. Omu person mu make sure say radio station assembly be wa baby na eya sema eya no kretro do a ebeboa oman no enu ntina eya communications minister Sam George no make sure say radio stations are omafum emra no e wo say ye suspend ye gi den omo license no na ye gina ho kakra na ye totototo omo nyoma yi na omo ti ase say emra ba if you say Nika semuno or see radio station bebre akwahye bibia efre no eye freedom of speech ana kebi mami kebi ana say we dia yetumi kasa na obi antumi mboy ano so no or see radio stations bebre wo Ghana nipa bia bie ena ma hyeda akoka freedom of speech o makọ hye kire ena omudidi dwirim omudidi bone omudi twatro omudi say man no saa nyoma nti ena wagina Ghana mraso as a minister to make sure say you're suspending 57 of them and make sure say omo adhere to the rules and regulations before their licenses are given back to them. Send ye beya on our way no so be sa ejina efum sam rana and you better make say a deliberate and that the laws have to apply. Maybe he needs or he will have to activate the revoking keys. And for now it's going to be suspension. Say obi after suspension no na se yesa de munkra tamamo na yaka se munko ye dwuma nkoka no kore na yesa kotiem ne hu se moni da ho twantro say man no egu nkofo hu fi abra mu ningina so a ene de he can revoke meaning obeji mo license mfiri mu nsem na mfiremem mu mba biem. This is a good one because you see it's always good to give people second chances. It is always to make sure people are given second chances to correct their mistakes. This is a democracy. This is not a tyranny. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC, they want every Ghanaian to understand, say, as we are resetting, we should always understand, say, we have made mistakes and we will not go back to those mistakes. And it's not Ghana for Kenyans afforded one say, we are not going to go back to bringing MPP back to power because it will be called haram. Into Yamamu opportunity way to just suspend and to sit and to make sure you do things right. So we are arguing say we are MPP radio station. What the ube chatro? Not the evidence ni clear. Not the communications ministry and investigations. Not in so more. What they need to do, people like us, we will support the minister to revoke your license. And kusie anaka kobie nigano babetina radio so. Abekan kwasi asam say the NDC government is suppressing freedom of speech. Because today, the NDC government is giving the benefit of the doubt and allowing people who have committed crimes, who have deliberately done things that were against your freedom of speech in Ghana, to get a second chance to operate. Into a Chinebi radio station, kwasiebi kodin kwasiasam, missing for me, codicing for me, and make sure say, omo platform be that Ghana for near doom no for good. Mema kako tibia mekam kwasiasam. Say, NDC ni John Mahama mo, omo tata Ghana for, omo pese Ghana radio bekasa. So you people should understand this issue. This is a government that is thinking twice. This is a government that is being matured. This is a government that is taking decisions that will not only benefit the government, but also you, the Ghanaian and the entrepreneur. Because radio station be going to be independent. This is be into a binary amount for investment. That is why the government is giving the radio stations second chance. That is why the government of the day is giving these radio stations second chance, because some of the radio stations and young Ghana for they have been employed, and the government doesn't want to take harsh decisions to do what put people in the unemployment bracket. The government doesn't want to do that. The government wants to protect jobs. But when people deliberately decide to say, upon all the things the government will do to protect jobs and protect investment, they are not going to be intelligent enough to understand to say, on my way now, yeah, the rules and regulations and the government will have no option than to revoke license and take those radio stations out of the system. As simple as that. Sam George also at the Asemfo bi ensa tuja momentie Asemfo no. The National Information Technology Agency has only 25 Ghana cedis in its account at the Bank of Ghana, but owes over 813 million Ghana cedis. You see, the National Information Technology Agency, NITA, nanado dankwe kufuadomo ejama NDC abaino. Sam George and the wire press conference where you the Sam George Kanye.
NITA, the National IT Agency, for example, has 25 Ghana cedis, 8 pesos. I repeat that, 25 Ghana cedis, 8 pesos, as is bank balance at the Bank of Ghana. Meanwhile, the agency owes 813,486,505 Ghana cedis, 89 pesos. But what they have in their account is 25 Ghana cedis. This is the ministry that we inherited. This is what we took over. NITA, for example, has a certain contract arrangement with a third-party vendor. I have summoned the third-party vendor to appear before me tomorrow because I do not understand how all the revenue coming to NITA, the previous administration signed the contract that has taken all of that fund, all the revenue that comes, and gives it to a third party. And so NITA is not getting any money. And so you ask yourself, almost everything at the ministry goes to a third party. So NITA has 25 cedis sitting in his account. Meanwhile, just for the month of January, the payments from services that are run using NITA's infrastructure that I was supposed to approve to a third-party company was almost 4 million Ghana cedis. I have refused to sign it. And I've insisted that I've referred it to the Attorney General. I will not sign any such payments until I understand why NITA is not getting a dime and a private sector player is using NITA's infrastructure, earning in excess of almost 4 million Ghana cedis, and NITA is, all the debts are sitting on NITA's books and all the revenue is going to a private sector. I mean, the ministry is the true definition of state capture. And I will take my time to come before the House and brief the House extensively on the rot in the ministry.
We Sam George on a communication mu sebio krachi penyinia owo Ghana. Brofo na waka no mami ndwam. Me wia na me de adanse atato ama wanadwi because kakobi eti ebia minority mu afodwo Markin minority make kan kwase asem say oh na Sam George nsem okan no engina so wen yene ankasa ye wurawura makopie Bank of Ghana through our checks no my team no some occasion say we are ahead of this government. Now me be chiramo adie if what the minister is saying is a lie, kakobia obe raise issue bia about it no should go to court. And if people at the end of the day, Abani started to question people. I remember Ojanbia Meka say NDC is persecuting people. The NDC will go after every single individual who has stolen from us. It's member of Renfi Sadia. Now, moment church there's some George kind. Some George say, Neta, a National Information Technology Agency or kind of brofo in the Samanjuma PZ for ne Bantama for Tiasie. Or see, or buy no, I better say, Omonkrata, a Bank of Ghana, na de etwa yam ni nyina say omuko hu say under BAWUMIA ekufuado Kennedy Japan or say chairman sabonsu Afenyo Markin kwasi ampanyiwe no de esi ne say eye neta no eye aban adwumedie omudi aban adwumedie no sa eye agency no omuni company bi sign contract na de wanwa etwa akoma etwa yam ni nyina say neta as a government agency no aban agency eye adwuma ma Ghana yetu omuka no omu free eye aban mu MPP for free aban mu no na sika omojai ediato Bank of Ghana ya accounts a Bank of Ghana neta adwuma mu jatum na 25 Ghana 8 pesos 25 Ghana 8 pesos ultimi pomfa nko kaso asha wolai 25 Ghana 8 pesos uko jina eye La Paz unya machine emfa nko bibia aban agency and ekufuado BAWUMIA under eye chairman sabosu under MPP. Na de esaye ya ewasem nyina mu say Sam George say sa the same agency no almost sako no mabro eka $813 million egu ono a wenye scan to wo and wabo preman sa de egu ho na omo hwehwe mu no neta company a one ne ko sign contract no sike bia neta benya bia no na sa company na akoto na accounts mu. That means monkey the job baboon the chop. Yani Ghana neta agency ni ye adwuma no. Adwuma no ye wia na infifre no akogu third party company bia on neta assign contract under MPP na sika na kotem. Inti as we speak, say neta generate 20 billion cedis. That 20 billion cedis is with a third party. Individual bia na owo MPP aban mu omu lead agency no and a tenancy assign contractor. Omu making sure say every single money or revenue neta generates, it slips into a third party's account. Into Achina, ya frequency and paying me say, oh, many questions are no. Now, when you Afenyo Markin, a content creator who stands in parliament and fools the NPP thinking, say, he is doing something, come to the public to lie. I know it's now again, and why should we give power to the NPP again? Because the minority in parliament, they are content creators. Afenyo Markin is a content creator. Now, let me put the evidence out for Ghanaians to know the damage. We're part one. As Sam George Kayano, we have been able to do our own research. Say documents say Sam George and in the communications ministry and the Bank of Ghana Jitum say a try or China they can release a statement and say document here Kevin Taylor ever publish it actually we are seeing the document in a fake. These are the documents from Bank of Ghana. Bonia Netafo NPP4 DA and San of Free Power. Gigim, let me show you. Now you see this document. You have a kind in your Now the document, you know, Okosrona. This is a document the Bank of Ghana they have. Mr. Team. Yeah, I'll deal with that. Now, who read the document now? We will watermark the document. Mr. S, we'll watermark this document before you put it on the website tomorrow. Loudsilencenews.com. You go there. We'll put it on our Facebook page too. Now, Bank of Ghana account balance as at 5th March 2025. Currency, account number, and a bank balance as at 5th of March 2025. National Information Technology Agency. Now, let us read this document together. I mean, enlarge, it will be easy for you to understand what I'm talking about. So, Bank of Ghana, for say a boy or China, they should come out. The Communications Ministry, we are ahead of every agency because your person no kurene bedaho. Now, when you read the document, this is what it says. National Information Technology Agency, omo sika eda omo account mu ne 25 Ghana cedis 8 pesos. National Information Technology Agency in dollars no technically no omo dollar accounts no sika edem $5,117. National Information Technology omo euro accounts sika edem 85 euros. So omo dollar accounts no $5,000 in dem. Omo cedi account no 25 Ghana cedis in dem. Omo euro accounts no only 85 euros in dem. Ye jujum sene be ya obia be hu de ekọ. We are not going to lie to Ghanaians, and we are going to make sure we follow up and make sure obi obo kroni bia no, the Attorney General, the agency that's supposed to investigate, Sam George himself, he needs to follow up and push to the last point, because per result, we want people to pay for their sins. Now, please note, on the 10th of February 2025, an amount of 1,628,992 Ghana cedis, 54 Ghana pesos, that is 1.628 million, was swept from the account number 101-863-154-0112 into the Debt Service Reserve account with the description Government Account Sweep by the Bank of Ghana. By the Bank of Ghana on the instructions of the Controller and Accountant General's Department. Now, the agency has written to the Controller and Accountant General Department for reversal of the swept amount to NETA. Follow up to the above request for reversal indicates that Controller and Accountant General may accede to NETA's request. Now, on the 10th of February, an amount of 1.6 million. That amount of money was swept. You can't say swept, you prasye. You giasye, you revrasye. Alrighty. Omu girasye no mu yisikali kogu bibi for the government accounts. Every NETA accounts. Now, when you read, request for Fidelity Bank account balance is in process and will be provided when received. Now, sa sikana ana ewose ekonita hono. Ya rasye ene kopie accounts be a friend government accounts. Or say was swept from the account number. Now, account number no mokano which account number? National Information Technology Agency. Oma account any free. Sa sikano clear free neta for accounting. Now you get it. Now, so we read the other part of the letter. This is what it says. I think the breakdown is there. This is the breakdown. Investment. NETA does not have any investment. NETA na ekufuado ne MPP for Jayeno. It does not have any investment. A flat zero. Because right now, technically, so per the document from Bank of Ghana, NETA is worth, when you take their assets out, NETA is worth in currency 25 Ghana cedis. Take their assets out. When you take the assets of NETA out, and normal omode NETA sika to you who physically a wohono, we are no free ma under a Akufo-Addo BAWUMIA free power non NETA amount of money they have made daho 25 Ghana. But Oma Boka 813 million. Now, Mayanju Jadi Academy. Now, NETA does not have any investment. Now, debt, a car omujatu wonye. Appendix A, 811,875,088 Ghana and 65 pesos. Now, cash analysis, 1.611 million. Into Oka total a car net dia, 813,486,505 Ghana and 89 pesos. A car. Omujatuwa. In 2 months' time, Oma Bekase Sam George Otumfuo in Kwasiafo we are in Petewi. In 2 weeks' time, in 6 months' time, Oma Bekase Adentina Sam George Anka and Intina. I am happy when I see these things because I go further, I do my investigations, and I get the documents to show to you. Where under Osla Owusu. This is what Osla Owusu did. Now, Oba Asiawana, Meyenjuja Brofunim. Appendix A, with the heading, reply, invitation to a meeting on outstanding claims. End of quote. It's hereby attached for ease of reference. A conversation note to Appendix A is also attached. This document was presented to the Ministry of Finance on February 4th, 2024. The Appendix A indicates a debt of 811,875,088 Ghana cedis, 65 Ghana pesos. Appendix B, cash analysis as at 5th of March 2025, attached for ease of reference, indicates a deficit of 1,611,417 Ghana cedis, 24 Ghana pesos. This is subject to review by DG. From Appendix A and B above, the total debt as at 5th March 2025 is 813,486,505 Ghana cedis, 89 Ghana pesos. From what you are seeing here, and from the information I am showing you, Makacha will say, Sam George, press conference, Ochina, the media in Ghana, the morning show chickens, should all contact Bank of Ghana. They have a reception. They have an inquiry desk. They can officially email the Bank of Ghana. They can officially email NETA for this document. Now, Mumbusa NETA for say, a document has been put in the public by us, by me. Is the document true? The minister also had a press conference and told Ghanaians to say NETA left only 25 Ghana cedis and that they owe, or the debt they left, 813 million. You, the chicken heads in Ghana, Kakoti Fuona Motiti, Asempa, Motiti Joy News, Sa Kakoni Kobiti Fuona, Motiti Inshira FM. Any more just do a follow up keke. Na mumubi mwe Jimmy. That is the only way you become credible. That is the only way you can question a minister, because the minister has made a statement. How do you know the statement is a lie or not? Tomorrow, call the minister and ask him that there is a document circulating on social media. Is that document a legitimate document? It is supporting his claim. Is it true or not? That is how journalists, that is what they do. And I am giving you all Kakoti assignment tonight. Nobody should go and sit on radio and foolishly just sit on TV and speculate. That's the word I'm looking for. The kind of speculations that what Ghana media, it is too much. We will publish this document on our page tonight. We will watermark it. Go to loudsilencenews.com. It will be there. With all due respect page, it will be there. Loud Silence TV page, it will be there. Pick the document and question the minister, because I have put it out. I have done my job. I have my credibility to protect. So if you're also a media house, our credibility, do not sit on Joy News. Do not sit on GH1. Do not sit on TV3. Do not sit on any media house and just speculate. These are documents you can follow up. Chicken heads. A few of you people are reliable and also have some integrity with you. 90% of the journalists in Ghana, TV, Sunni radio, so they are chicken head. Kakoti, Kobiti. They are just speculators. They speculate. The minister is in Ghana. He is not in Europe. Contact him tomorrow morning. Ask him, because I have provided my evidence. Into more Mosomojin say we are not putting facts here. No. Go and check from Bank of Ghana. In fact, you don't even need to go to the minister. Go to Bank of Ghana. Question them. Send an email. There are people there who are willing to give you the information. RTI bill, no, that is what is it for. Namunja Jimmy Vietnam suit ne sa fake brofuna mashesha eguma panta mu na mokekan kwasi asem wo Joy News no. You will publish the document. Indeed, Sam George has set the record straight. NETA. And you see, Mr. Minister, government, it is important. Just saying it and providing documents is not enough for Ghanaians. We want you people to take action. We want the Attorney General, the necessary agencies that do investigations into these things. Mr. Minister, you have to push it for the right thing to be done. People have to be called. Investigations have to be conducted. We need to get to the bottom of it. People who are supposed to be jailed are supposed to be jailed. Because if we don't see any response, if we don't see people paying for their sins, we will turn around and come after you. Mr. Minister, Mr. President, NDC government, if we don't see any action taken on this criminality and this high level of crime, and you allow this to slide, we the people will turn around and come after you, Sam George. So it is up to you to do good. It's up to you to protect your integrity. A lot of people don't like you in the NPP because they think you cannot deliver. I believe in you. The Ghanaian who voted for John Mahama and voted for his vision and voted for people like you believe in the vision and also the ideas and also the hard work the NDC can put in for Ghana to realize our dream, no? We all trust the process. So you people should also prove us wrong by delivering. We will give you the support, but you people need to follow the money. This is very important. Now,